Chosen ones, pures, whatever you are doing right now, I have an urgent and important message to release. And this message is not for everyone. If you are not walking the divine path, if your heart is not allegiant with God, you will feel restless listening to this, and it is better you leave now. But if you are still here, if something within you feels pulled to stay, then understand this clearly. God allowed this message to reach you, and it has arrived at the exact moment you are separate could receive it. Nothing about this is accidental. This is a woman sent by God, and she carries restoration in her hands. She is not coming to take from you, but to give you what life, people, and circumstances have denied you for years. What was withheld, delayed, or taken unfairly is about to be balanced through divine order. And no, this is not fantasy. This is alignment. If you stay with me until the end, you will understand why your past had to break you the way it did, and why this next chapter will heal you differently than anything before. This message will settle your mind and strengthen your spirit. Before we continue, chosen one, like this video, subscribe to the channel if you have not already. Tap the bell icon and share this message with others. Chosen one, how need clarity right now, and comment 777 to declare that you are elegant, recipient, and ready for what God is realizing in your life. How the chosen one really are, and why they are always done it. Now, listen to me carefully. If you are one of God's chosen ones, your life has never followed a normal pattern. From an early stage, you feel different, not better than others, not worse, but separate. You saw deeper. You feel stronger. You questioned things others accepted easily, and because of that, life did not hand you things freely. It tested you first. Chosen ones are not denied because they are unworthy. They are denied because they are dangerous to darkness, and darkness always tries to delay what it cannot destroy. What you carry inside you is not ordinary. It hardness systems, expose leads, and disrupts comfort zone. That is why resistance me you early. Most people receive things quickly because what they carry is light, but what you carry is heavy. You carry responsibility, influence, and sceptral weight. God does not place weight on weak foundations. That is why your life feels like preparation after preparation, lesson after lesson, loss after loss. Not because God enjoys watching you struggle, but because He is molding something in you that cannot collapse later. You were denied love, so you would learn discernment. You were denied sport, so you would learn self resilience in God. You were denied comfort, so you would learn strength. You were denied validation, so you would stop seeking it from people. Each tunnel was shaping a part of you that comfort never could. This is where many chosen ones get confused. They ask God, why do others receive what I pray for so easily? What you do not see is that many people receive quickly because they are not trusted with much. You are trusted with much. So you are trained longer. Speed is not favor. Depth is denial is not rejection. Denial is not obedient. Silence is not absence. For chosen ones, Daniel is often production. They are relationships you begin God for that would have destroyed your purpose. There were opportunities you thought you missed that would have pulled you off your path. Doors stayed shut because if they opened too early, you would have walked into them with the wrong version of yourself. Let me speak plainly now. Chosen ones are Danieled because they are observed. Heaven watches you more closely than others. Every reaction, every decisions, every moment of obedience when no one is watching. That is why your tests feels personal. They are personal. You are being shaped for something that requires integrity under pressure, and there is any other truth many do not tell you. Chosen ones trigger people without trying. Your presence expose insecurity, hidden motives, and unresolved ones. So people project into you. They misunderstand you. They complete you with quickly. They withhold love, help, and fairness not because you did something wrong, but because your light unsteals what they have not held. This is why you have experienced unfair treatment. This is why you have been blamed when you were innocent. This is why you have been overlooked even when you were qualified. But instead of breaking you, it refined you. You learn restraint, you learn patience, you learn to keep your hearts clean in hostile environments. Chosen ones are denied already so they do not become entitled later. They are humbled early so pride never runs them. If you have made it this far, chosen ones, hear this with an open hearts. The very things that once made you questions your worth are being an evidence of God's working in your life. The tears you carried in private were not wasted. The nights you wondered if anyone understood your pain were not ignored by heaven. God saw every moment you choose faith instead of bitterness, obedience instead of rebellion, and hope instead of giving up. You thought you were being forgotten, but you were being formed. There is a difference between being hidden and being evidence. Hidden seasons are often holy seasons. Seeds are hidden before they break through the ground. Gold is refined before it shines. Great foundations are built been beneath the surface because anyone notice what is being constructed above it. In the same way, God has been doing keep working within you that others could never understand by simply looking at your life. Do not compare your journey to people who seem to be moving ahead of you. What God is building in you requires time, wisdom, and maturity. Whatever is too early can be mishandled, but whatever is at the appointment time carries peace and stability. The waiting has not been punishment. The structuring has not been correctly. It has been preparation. Even now, doors are being arranged that you cannot yet see. Conversations are taking place that you know nothing about. Opportunities are being positioned according to God's timing and purpose. Remain faithful in the quick season. Continue to pray. Continue trust and continue to work with determination. Your story is not ending in disappointment. The chapter of Constantine Serval is giving way to a season of restoration, clarity, and divine direction. Hold on a little longer, chosen one. The same God who carried you through every trailer has not brought you this far to leave you now. But there is something else you must understand, chosen ones. Restoration is not only about receiving what was lost. Some things. Restoration is becoming the person you were always meant to be before fear, rejection, and disappointment tried to refine you for years. You adapted to survive. You learned how to stay quick to avoid conflict. You lowered your expectations to protect your hearts from being hurt again. You convinced you convinced yourself that asking for less would somehow make the pain easier to bear, but God is calling you out of survival mode. You were not created merely to endure life, you were created to walk in purpose. The version of you that is embarking from this season is wiser, stronger, and more desiring than before. You no longer chase every opportunity that appears attractive. You no longer seek validation from people who cannot recognize your value. You are learning to be led by peace instead of pressure. That shift change everything. The people assigned to your next season will not require you to betray your conventions to gain their approval. The opportunities meant for you will not demand that you compromise your character. What God provides well elegant with the principles He has been teaching you through every difficult lesson. Do not fear the change taking place within you. Growth often feels uncomfortable because it asks you to release old identities and familiar patterns, but you cannot step into a new season while carrying every burden from the lost one. Forgive where you need to forgive. Realize what God has asked you to realize. Trust Him with the questions you cannot answer it. You may not understand every detail of the journey, but you can trust the one guiding your steps. The delays did not defeat you. The disappointments did not define you. The battles did not destroy you. They revealed that through God's strength you are far more resilient than you ever imagined. God bless you, dear. God bless you. God bless you. Thanks for watching.